Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Reynald Arcala. And coming up to the red corner, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Johnny Mar Loreño.
Spreading like HIV in the hood. Watch smack a nigga silly when I can squeeze the belly. She don't plug and split a nigga ass worse than a Philly. I stay with the heater, cut the dude with Benita. My wife he kept acting up, so I had to leave her. And knew when I left, but I knew I didn't need her. If it wasn't for my seat, I wouldn't need to have to see. She better pull like she don't need me. She missed me.
Ladies and gentlemen, this next bout is presented to you by ARQ Sports in association with Kawayan Masbate LGU, headed by the Honorable Mayor Edgar Bebot Condor, Vice Mayor Esther Condor Binsol, and the Sangguniang Bayan of Kawayan Masbate, Sports Coordinator Jeje Alburo and Gilbert Lepiten. Ladies and gentlemen, this bout scheduled for 4 rounds in the Super Flyweight division. The 3 judges for this contest: Gerald Tumeldan, Romar Embodo, and Alyanita. And the third man in the ring, Carlo Valio. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing black with red and weighing 114 pounds, his professional debut from Butuan City, introducing Reynald Arcala. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out the red corner, wearing violet with pink and weighing 113 pounds, also his professional debut from Omega Boxing Gym of Cebu City, ladies and gentlemen, Johnny Mar Loreño.
Fourth fight for this evening. 4 rounds, scheduled for 4 rounds. 113-pound super flyweight division. Johnny Mar Loreño of Omega Boxing Stable versus Reynald Arcala of Square Circle Boxing from Butuan.
Of course, shout out sa lahat ng mga taga Butuan there. ARQ Boxing Stable, ARQ Boss Jason Arquisola, all the way from Butuan, Ma'am Grace and Sir Stephen, mga taga Butuan, Ma'am Goodby.
Yeah, mga local. Coach Paul, also a native of Butuan.
Oo. Again, this is scheduled for 113 pounds naman tayo. This will be our last, or we have one more 4-rounder. All of the fighters are first debut pa lang. Unang professional. Unang pagkakataon para sa professional rank.
Unang hakbang sa professional rank. That's the last. This is the last fight for the debut pala, professional debut ng ating mga fighters. Oh, solid right connected by this fighter of Omega, Johnny Mar Loreño. Solid naman ang counter doon ni Arcala.
Butuan versus Cebu City. Omega Boxing Stable wearing blue and pink trunks. And ito namang boxing or squared boxing stable from Butuan City, black and red.
Yeah, the signature red and black trunks for the side of squared one. Wild punches for the squared one.
Mga bata pa talaga, no? Mukha pa lang eh.
Mga baby face.
Oo.
Oh, going to that lower. Aggressive both fighters right here. But blank ranges for both fighters. Ooh, going to that body, itong si Loreño. Good coverage by Arcala. Solid. Right, left and right for Arcala.
Last 10. Yep, exactly. There's around 1 to 2 seconds lang na delay sa official time natin and our official time on the screen.
So that's the end of our first round here in Kawayan Plaza, Kawayan Masbate. We have some highlights of that first round po natin dito sa Kawayan Masbate, Cebu.
Take a look, Doc J. Junko talking to his fighter, that is Johnny Mar Loreño. First fight versus Reynald Arcala, squared circle boxing all the way from my hometown, Butuan City.
Itong Omega Boxing Coach po, no? Mga bagong fighters sila dito na sinusubukan.
Ay, ganun talaga ninyo. And you will never know until it is tested. So this is another way for your fighters to be tested. And then, kasi pag bago ka pa, yun talaga. First 4 rounds yan, mga 2 4-rounder, and then may 6 round pa yan. Up next.
8 to 10 na yung susunod.
8 to 10, pero mahaba pa yan. Siguro maka 10 rounds ka more than on your 8th or 9th professional fight. Yes.
Second round once again dito po sa Kawayan Masbate. Binong bahay sa Kawayan 2.
Oo, and Encuentro 15. Atin sa atin ng ARQ Sports, we have 5 more fights to go. And our main event for the WBF International Championship, Rodel Wenceslao from ARQ Stable Cebu City. Welterweight naman yan versus a Thailand fighter at Sharia Irujan Sulbol.
Ang hirap bigkasin ng pangalan na yan ng Thailander.
Mahirap talaga yan.
Hesitant both fighters right here. Strong one. Oh! Nice connection.
Oo, alam mo talaga, medyo after that erupting first round, medyo kinakamay nila yung dalawa. Kung ano yung style na, a bulo punch there, just a miss for Omega Boxing Stable. That is Lorenio.
Lorenio going to the face. Now taking back his opponent in the center. Under a minute for second round. Nice left from Lorenio. Oh, another connection to the face. They're going to the lower part. But may counter dito, itong si Arcala. 10 seconds. Nice way to end the second round for both fighters. Here in Encuentro 15, binumbahay sa Kawayan 2. Take a look at some replay here. Natin pagbabalik po the third round of this fight between Lorenio and Renald Alcala. Factor fight dito po sa Kawayan Masbate for binukbukay or binumbahay sa Kawayan 2 in Encuentro 15. Third round natin, explosive both fighters.
Lorenio and Arcala on the third round ninyo, pumunta na sa katawan. Dapat kanina pala nila ginagawa yon. Oh, good exchange there for both fighters.
Now, nag-adjust na. Ito si Lorenio going higher against Alcala. Oh, dumiretso itong si Lorenio.
Oh, good escape. But Lorenio with that right hook to the body.
Alcala right here. Aggressive. Now both fighters relaxing here. Nagkakalkula lang itong si Lorenio ngayon.
Oh, ganun naman talaga, especially pag first fight mo eh. Hindi mo alam kasi kung ano talaga yung laro until you see it and you feel how he fights.
One minute sa ating third round po. Medyo bumaba itong intensity ng both fighters. Mas naging mataas lang ng opening. Look at that over the head punch coming from Arcala. Arcala, by the way, wearing black and red trunks. And ito naman si Johnny Mar Lorenio wearing the Omega trunks, the purple and pink.
Oo, maganda rin ha.
Nice color combination.
Oo. Pink and violet.
Yeah. Purple. Nice connection coming from Lorenio. Bawi naman si Arcala with that hook. Aggressive dito si Arcala. Dying seconds ng ating third round.
Last 10 seconds.
Nice connection to the body by Renald Arcala. That's the end of our third round dito po sa Encuentro 15, Binumbay sa Kawayan. Take a look at some punches thrown by both fighters right here. Nagtahimik na third round, but
Parang nagpapahinga lang.
yeah,
Napahuway lang.
pahinga saglit to both fighters, but for our live viewers, kapit po kayo, heading to our fourth round. Expect more action and tight match for both fighters. This is our last and final round, Coach, for the 113-pound weight class dito po sa Kawayan Masbate, sa Binumbahay, sa Kawayan 2, Encuentro 15. Oh, nice connection from Loreño, but aggressive itong si Arcala.
Wala pa rin tumatama. Both fighters, yes, mabilis sila, but Loreño with it right straight to the head. Another left hook there. Ganda nun.
Strong jaw for Reynald Arcala. Dalawang beses yung tinamaan, but parang hindi niya iniinda itong connection ni Loreño. One minute gone by sa ating last round po ng bakbakan. Loreño now attacking our referee, signaling for that headbutt. They need to be careful. Aggressive attack for Arcala. Now medyo nagpapahinga ito si Loreño. Arcala being aggressive. Nice punch right there. Bawat suntok, bawat tama ng mga fighters natin. Kasunod yung mga hiyaw ng ating mga fans dito po sa Kawayan Masbate.
Oh, kailangan nila gisingin ang mga tao dito inside Kawayan Masbate. Alam mo naman yung mga tao gusto talaga may mga dugo eh.
Yeah, yung mano a mano ng mga palitan.
Oh, gusto talaga nila encuentro, wag na yung magpahinga. Kasi gusto namin matapos agad.
Yeah, and yung gusto ng mga tao, they want intense action. Ooh, solid left. Right then.
Maganda yung mga suntok ni Arcala, hindi lang talaga tumatama. Good defense shown there by Loreño. But that time, tumama yun. Good. Left straight there.
Under 30 seconds of this last round, both fighters need to show their best here in the dying seconds.
Oh, they need to impress the judges kasi nga, this will go down to the scorecards.
That's the last bell for this fight between Joni Mar Loreño and Reynald Arcala. Once again, scheduled for 4 rounds, 113 pounds, and our highlights right after this match.
Niggas whole fucking world is mine. Worldwide. Niggas whole fucking world is mine. Niggas gossip like girls, they hide. No offense denied. But this whole fucking world is mine. Worldwide. Niggas whole fucking world is mine. Worldwide. Niggas whole fucking world is mine. Niggas gossip like girls, they hide. No offense denied. But this whole fucking world is mine. Even if you blind, you can still see my prophecy. My destiny to overthrow those on top of me. Paying for currency, the money be calling, can you feel me? Dreaming, seeing season me ballin'. Bitch made niggas in that bullshit you going through. Outlaw bustin' while we rushin'. Touch me. Fuck you niggas in that bullshit you going through. We outlaws rushin', bustin'. Touch me.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 rounds of boxing, we go to the scorecards. Gerald Tumeldan scores about 39-37 for Loreño. Alganita scores about 38-38, and Romar M. Bodo scores about 38-38, a majority draw.
So it is a majority draw. First time for this day. Sa ating fourth fight, we have majority draw between both parties.